Mastering financial planning advice. Someone is secretly manipulating vendor relationships for better or for worse. Who is responsible for prioritizing and managing our relationships with key vendors and partners, and what strategies do they employ to ensure operational excellence in these collaborations? In the context of financial planning advice, the person responsible for prioritizing and managing relationships with key vendors and partners is typically the Chief Operating Officer, COO, or the Head of Operations. This individual oversees the overall operational strategy and is responsible for building and maintaining strategic partnerships that drive business growth and operational efficiency. To ensure operational excellence in these collaborations, the COO or Head of Operations employs several strategies, including 1. Vendor selection and onboarding. A thorough vendor selection process is in place to identify the most suitable partners that align with the organization's goals and values. This involves assessing the vendor's reputation, capabilities, and experience. A comprehensive onboarding process is also established to ensure a smooth transition and to provide vendors with the necessary information and support to meet the organization's requirements. 2. Relationship management. Regular communication and feedback mechanisms are established to maintain open and transparent relationships with vendors and partners. This includes scheduled meetings, performance reviews, and issue escalation procedures to address any concerns or issues that may arise. 3. Performance metrics and monitoring. Key performance indicators, KPIs, are defined and tracked to measure the performance of vendors and partners. This includes metrics such as delivery timelines, quality of service, and cost effectiveness. Regular monitoring and analysis of these metrics enable the identification of areas for improvement and facilitate data-driven decision-making. 4. Contract management. A centralized contract management system is employed to maintain a repository of all contracts and agreements with vendors and partners. This system ensures that all contracts are up to date, and that renewal and termination dates are monitored to minimize risks and ensure business continuity. 5. Risk management. A risk assessment framework is in place to identify and mitigate potential risks associated with vendor and partner relationships. This includes assessing financial, operational, and reputational risks and implementing strategies to address these risks. 6. Collaborative problem solving. A collaborative approach is adopted to jointly address any issues or concerns that arise with vendors and partners. This fosters a spirit of cooperation and encourages the sharing of best practices and knowledge to drive continuous improvement. 7. Training and development. Vendors and partners are provided with training and development opportunities to enhance their skills and knowledge. This ensures that they are equipped to meet the organization's evolving needs and to drive innovation. 8. Continuous improvement. Regular feedback and performance reviews are conducted to identify areas for improvement and to implement changes that drive operational excellence. This includes assessing the effectiveness of existing processes and identifying opportunities for automation, streamlining, or outsourcing. 9. Technology enablement. Technology is leveraged to simplify and streamline interactions with vendors and partners. This includes the use of digital platforms for communication, collaboration, and data exchange to drive efficiency and reduce errors. 10. Governance and compliance. A robust governance framework is established to ensure that all vendor and partner relationships comply with regulatory requirements and organizational policies. This includes ensuring that all vendors and partners meet the necessary standards for data security, privacy, and compliance. By employing these strategies, the COO or Head of Operations can ensure that the organization's relationships with key vendors and partners are managed effectively, driving operational excellence and business growth.